the director of the fashion department here at the Art Institute. Are you in the Fashloop?
Fashloop. Fashloop. Fashloop.
Good evening, guys. Armando Perales from the Fashion Merchandising Program at the Art Institute.
And I'm Katie Water. I'm co-founder of the citizensofnature.com.
And you're here with Sector Divina at the Art Institute tonight.
Our pieces are inspired by sacred geometry and nature. Our quality is comparable to Neiman Marcus. Our price point is very affordable. We want to be able to give everybody the opportunity to look good and feel good without going over budget. www.citizensofnature.com.
Are you in the Fashloop?
This is Gabby. I'm here at the Arts Institute of Fort Lauderdale. I study fashion merchandising.
I'm Angel Strong, and I'm taking fashion merchandising here at Art Institute of Fort Lauderdale.
Are you in the Fashloop?
My name is Carmen. I'm here at the Art Institute of Fort Lauderdale, and I'm a fashion merchandising student. Are you in the Fashloop?
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 Are you in the
Fashloop?
Fashloop.
Fashloop.
Fashloop?